The House of Representatives on Wednesday don pass through the first reading of a bill wey dey seek to amend the 1999 constitution wey go provide 6 years for one single term for the office of president, office of state governors and local government area chairmen dem. Normally you know say one term or tenure of any of these offices na 4 years, but now they wan change am to 6 years. The other information wey I bring come for una na about the Inspector General of Police wey be Kayode Egbetokun. Im don come outside now dey yarn dey give the general public say police na the best job in the world, and im come give reasons why im talk like that. No be small matter my correct people. Without wasting much of your time, make I dive into the matter and make I give una the full details of the koko so. And I wan start with the House of Representatives and the bill wey dey just pass through so. And na the House of Rep member wey dey represent Idiato North, Idiato South Federal Constituency, Imo State, wey be Ikenga, Ogochinyere, and 50 other lawmakers na dey sponsor the private member bill so. The lawmakers wey be the sponsors of the bill, dey come dey argue say a single tenure or a single term of 6 years e go help a lot o. E go help to reduce the spending wey dey always occur on top general elections wey dey conduct every 4 years. And this bill wey the lawmakers dem carry come so, e go alter section 7, section 135, section 137, section 180 and section 182 bracket 1 of the 1999 constitution as amended. Now this one wey the House of Representatives don pass through the first reading of this bill so, na only time go tell if true they go come put am into law say each tenure for every of these offices go come become 6 years, and if dem put am into law now e go come dey effective immediately. That is to say our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, im tenure go automatically turn 6 years. That is, election no go come happen again for inside the year 2027, instead go come enter 2029. No be small matter my correct people. Sharply now make I yarn you how this their new bill now go take affect the 1999 constitution as amended. Clause 2 dey seek to amend section 7 of the Principal Act by putting a new subsection bracket 5 immediately after the existing subsection 4 and before the existing subsection 5. And this new subsection bracket 5 wey dey bring so, e dey yarn say anybody wey dey hold the office of a local government chairman, im go comot for that office as the period of 6 years dey expire starting from the day wey dem elect the person into the office. Then clause 3 of the bill dey seek to amend section 135 subsections bracket 2 bracket 2A and bracket 3 of the Principal Act by replacing the word 4 with 6. That is, before na 4 years, but now the president go comot for office as im period of 6 years dey expire starting from the date wey dem elect the person as president. Then clause 4 of the bill dey seek to amend section 137 of the Principal Act by deleting paragraph bracket B, then renumber the thing appropriately. Then clause 5 of the bill wey the lawmakers dem bring come, e dey seek to amend section 180 of the Principal Act by deleting the existing subsection 2 and subsection 3. They come replace am with the new subsection 2 and subsection 3. And these new subsections dey talk about how governor go take vacate from im office wey im tenure of 6 years don expire starting from the date wey dem elect am as governor. Then clause 5 of the bill and the last dey seek to amend section 182 bracket 1 by deleting paragraph bracket B and to renumber am accordingly. And you see this bill so wey the lawmakers dem carry come, e dey cited as Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended bracket Alteration Bill 2024. So on to the next information wey I bring come for you. The tori be say the Inspector General of Police wey be Kayode Egbetokun, im don dey yarn say the police job na the best job in the world. Oga Kayode Egbetokun dey yarn this one during im 2-day working visit for inside Edo State. And according to him, he say police job na the job wey be say as you dey do am, people go dey pray for you. and na still the job wey be say as you dey do am, people go dey give you the opposite of prayer. And I believe say all of us know wetin be the opposite of prayer. He say as e don be like that, it's left for the policemen to decide which one wey dem want. No be small matter, my correct people. The Inspector General of Police wey be Oga Kayode Egbetokun, he come dey advise men and officers of the Edo State Police Command say make dem dey transparent, make dem dey honest in their actions with members of the public. And that transparent mean say make mago no dey their body, make dem do things wey dey according to the law. And he come dey urge the officers say make dem do the best wey dem go fit do, make dem try their best, make dem just serve the people to the best of their ability, and make dem show commitment to the highest standard of integrity and public trust. And no be lie, my correct people, all of us know say if to say police people dey follow this kind pattern, dey do this kind thing, this our country Nigeria, e for no bad the way e bad so. E dey very heartbreaking say police officers wey suppose to dey uphold the rule of law, wey suppose to dey do the things wey be say we go use them as example, na dem go dey do like tout. Some of them go dey do like agbero with uniform. They go do as if they no dey pay them for their service. All those kind level, e no make sense. But ma still yarn you another legitimate correct person. Oga Kayode Egbetokun wey be the Inspector General of Police, in come outside still dey yarn say Nigeria Police say recently dem rate them as the most improved agency in anti-corruption for inside we country Nigeria. And he come dey let the general public dey know say this achievement, e for no dey achievable at all. Dem no for fit get am if to say the officers never switch into the new police pattern, the vision of emplacing a professionally competent, service-driven, rule of law compliance and people-friendly police force. Yes, and he come dey advise the officers of the Edo State Command say make dem remain committed to excellent service as they dey deliver in the discharge of their duties to the people. And he come dey assure them say the federal government dey very much committed to improving police welfare. And he come dey talk about the nice idea, the nice plan wey the federal government dem get for the police officers. He say like this now, they dey put things and things together. They wan arrange houses like this wey dey cheap for police officers, wey they go fit dey live comfortably. No be say after police officers now don serve their country finish, they no go fit come get roof over their head wey they go call house to relax. All this kind of level, e no true make sense. Na why the federal government don make provisions for them so that everything go just nice for them. And this na to show the officers say the federal government plus the police administration, their mind dey, they are very much committed to improving the welfare for all police officers. And no be lie, my correct people, this na nice idea. If policemen now then get all these kind of things, I no see reason why they go dey collect 100 naira, 50 naira, 200 naira, 1000 naira from keke driver, motor driver, okada rider, or all the riders wey dey ride for road. So this na the informate wey I say make I pass give all of una. Anyhow the thing be you for body, you are free to drop it inside the comment section. Or if you get contribution about the matter, still put them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey bring legitimate information they give the country people. So if you would like to receive news like that, make you subscribe to this channel and remember to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring news they come, you go first get the update and you go get them sharp. And they come with another information for you, my correct person. Abeg, no go anywhere.